I'm currently studying maths at master's level, but previously I've also studied my degree here at Maths and Statistics. Maths and Statistics degree sort of involved a mixture of maths and statistics modules, so you sort of almost had a bit of a 50-50 choice, so it was sort of more or less evenly split between the two, from a range of, statistical modelling and things like time series, and then with maths modules it was calculus, differential equations and algebra, so it was a nice mixture. I chose to study at Queen Mary because I've heard of its brilliant reputation, and also I really wanted to go to a university in London because that's where I was still live at the time as well. So I had a look around and I came to a visit day, and I thought the staff were very friendly and the students gave me so much information about the university, and they were really enthusiastic, and in my opinion it was the best university that I visited. The main difference between school and university is, firstly, it's a lot bigger than school. You can be sitting in a lecture and there'll be 300 people around you, so that's a bit strange going from a class of 30 people to 300 almost. You get more free time. So you've got a lot more independence, and like I said, you need to manage your time. I think the workload's probably about the same, maybe increases a bit more as you get into third year and fourth year, if you decide to carry on. Basically in a lecture, you have the lecturer at the front writing on the board and everyone sitting there taking notes. And you can put your hand up and ask a question about something that the lecturer's just talked about, or you can wait until after the lecture where you can go to them and speak to them if you've got an issue with one of the things that come up in the lecture. A tutorial is just a small group of people where we sit there, work on our weekly courseworks, and then we have lecturers and PhD students come in and help us with our coursework. So any questions we've got, we can go and see them. My favourite module is from my third year. It was called Design of Experiments. It was a statistical module, and it sort of looked at different methods of looking at a situation and then using a particular model on it. So it was very interesting. I take part in quite a few different extracurricular activities. I'm part of one of the sports societies. I was also treasurer last year for one of those societies as well, so there's loads of opportunities for you to become a president or a vice president or a social secretary, so there's loads of different things you can get involved in as well. They have a really good career service, like they can give you loads of information, loads of booklets. If you're not sure on what you want to do, they can really help you out, show you different areas. Also as well, they can look through your CV and give you tips on how to improve it. The advice I'd give to someone who wants to study maths at university would be, obviously make sure that you actually enjoy maths, because you're coming in and you're going to be doing it for 3 or 4 years. Be prepared for a challenge, because it's not easy, I'm not going to lie, it's not easy, but you do get a lot of help, and if you really enjoy a challenge, then you will be challenged and you'll be satisfied by the end of it when you finish solving a problem. So it's definitely worth it if you enjoy a challenge.